Gabriela, and today I'm eating like I'm on an episode of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives.
I'm Guy Fieri, and we're rolling out.
I'm a huge fan of Guy and a big fan of the show, so I cannot wait to eat some insane food today. I live in New York, so we're gonna check out a few spots that Guy has been to in the city. Wait. Before we dive into all this food, you have to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel by clicking the button right here. This is Pies and Thighs. Okay, here we are at Pies and Thighs, and we're coming for the one and only chicken and waffles. This is the most beautiful plate of chicken and waffles I have seen in a long time. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am most excited about this cinnamon butter combo with the blueberry reduced syrup, those amazing crispy chicken thighs, and this is different, buckwheat waffles, not the normal waffle. Guy said these were some of the most
savory combination of chicken and waffles I've had.
I cannot wait to dive in. Guys, this is so good. Look at that chicken, look at those waffles. I can 100% see why Guy came here. Whew, those chicken and waffles were outrageous, over the top, flavor tripping good, off the dock, over the chain, shut the front door, unbelievable. And we're rolling out.
We're rolling out.
All right, we're in the cab, we're headed to Bunker, our second spot of the day, and we're gonna have a crispy, savory egg pancake that people go nuts over. This is Bunker. All right, time for meal number 2. We're here at Bunker having the Bon Chow. That's confirmed how you say it. And this place is exactly what I would envision Guy Fieri hanging out at. We have some island vibes, great music, super colorful in here, and I'm sure the food is gonna be
wicked good, dude.
The food just arrived. Look at how beautiful it is. So colorful, that crispy egg. Oh my gosh, I can smell the shrimp and the bacon. I can't wait to make a little wrap here. Like that's what the lettuce is for. Just like Guy did on the show. One thing I think is so funny is that Guy Fieri hates eggs, like hates them. On the episode, he talked about how he like barely wanted them to put any egg in this pancake, even though it's an egg pancake.
Whoa, easy on the egg. Trying to cut down on there you go, that's plenty.
This is amazing, that crispy, savory egg pancake. I got the bacon, I got the shrimp. You wrap it in that lettuce with some fresh herbs, and then you dunk it in that kind of sweet, almost like a rice wine vinaigrette. The combination is so amazing, and this is my like new favorite dish, I think, in New York City. Wicked good, dude. I never say dude, that's so weird. This is outrageous, it's unbelievable. The flavor jets are activated. Woo! It would not be a day of eating like I was on Triple D if I didn't have a burger. And we are gonna end on the mother of all burgers. This is gonna be amazing.
This
is the Brindle Room. This looks like the absolute perfect burger. It's almost too perfect. It kind of looks like an emoji. The thing I love most about this is that it is simple. It's just a good bun, a good patty, some delicious melted cheese, and perfect caramelized onions. This is unreal. Wow, paired with these fries, these golden brown fries. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven. Like Guy said, this is a...
I'm done with my burger.
I feel very bittersweet about this day. I mean, does it have to end? a dream day, you guys. I can't believe that Guy Fieri does this full time. He gets to go around all over the country and eat amazing meals. Those are just 3 spots. Imagine all of the insane other Triple D restaurants there are around the country. So much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was so much fun. Make sure you click right here to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel. Click down here to see more videos like this one, and comment below. I want to know who you think I should eat like next. See ya.